Question number 51. The following except one are experiences that help students build a global orientation. Teach about the United Nations and its specialized agencies. Explore some of the reasons for the difference in the way of living. Conduct training with schools from other countries. Promote the development of stereotypes and ethnic bias. Global orientation. Letter A. Number 52. Alin ang paksa sa sumusunod ng pangungusap? Ginagawa niya ang pagdarasal araw-araw. Ginagawa araw-araw pagdarasal niya. 53. What instrument is used to measure the intensity of earthquakes? Barograph, thermograph, seismograph, hydrograph, seismograph. 54. Excuse me, can I borrow your dictionary? Yours, you, A. 55. Alin ang di karaniwang anyo ng pandiwang hintay ka? Alin ang di karaniwang anyo ng pandiwang tay ka? Hintay? Teka. 56. Alin sa mga sumusunod ang aral na ibinibigay na ang alamat ni Mariang Makiling na ikinuwento ni Jose Rizal? Pagyamanin pangalagaan ng ating bayan at lahi pagkat hiyas at yaman natin ito. Pag-ibig ang makapagbabago sa mundong ito. Kabanalan ang magpatawad at tulungan ng isang nagkasala. Dahil sa pagmamalabis at pagsasamantala, maraming biyaya ang sa kanya'y nawawala. Mariang Makiling. Di ko sure. 57. Which is the main goal of drug abuse education? Arrest, prevention, control, rehabilitation. Drug abuse. Control. The amount of substance having 6.02 times 10 raised to 23 of any kind of chemical unit is called A. Mass number, mole, formula, atomic weight. Mass number. Number 59. How many ways can a committee of 4 people be selected from a group of 7? 7 times 4. Mali. 7 times 7. 49 times 7. 10. A rectangle is 4 times long as it is wide. If the length of the third side 4 times along of its wide. 4, 8, 16, 4, 8, 16, 20. 20. Wala nang 20. Rectangle, 4 times along as it is wide. 4 times, edi 16. 4/16. Number 61. What law was passed by Philippine Congress in 1995 which affirms the total integration of persons with disabilities into the mainstream of society? Hula-hula muna. RA. A na lang. Di ko alam. Par blank terrace small plain lay the freezing waters of the North Sea where his father boat had disappeared many years before. Down, under, underneath, below. Far underneath? Ko sure. To reduce electronic waste, implement a recycling system which belong to a waste recycling system. To reduce electronic waste, repair, reuse, grading. 1 and 2. Let us see. Number 64. A molecule or an ion is classified as a Lewis base if it has which of the following properties: donates a proton to water, accept a neutron, whose reasonable structure accept a pair of electron. Kailan natin ipinagdiriwang ang linggo ng wika? Hunyo, Agosto, Marso. Agosto 13 to 19. B. 66. Excuse me, blank the time. Excuse me, have you the time? Have you got the time? Got you the time? Do you the time? Have you got the time? B. 67. Nowadays, blank are much better behaved than their parents were at the same age. Don't you think? Nowadays, teenagers, nowadays, teenagers, teen and injured. Nowadays, at the teenagers, tingin ko, the teenagers. 68. If x is equal to 1 and y is equal to -2, what is the value of the expression? If x hula-hula muna tayo. Di muna. Mamaya na lang hanapin ang sagot. Which among the following statements is always true? The supplement of an angle is acute. The complement of an angle is obtuse. The complement of any acute angle is acute. Two supplementary angles are congruent. Di muna. Number 70. A losing senatorial candidate may file a protest against the winner. Why body will assume jurisdiction over the case? Supreme Court, Electoral Tribunal, COMELEC, Regional Trial, COMELEC. Ano ang formasyon na pantig sa mga titik na pa rin sa salitang prinsesa? Anong formasyon na pantig? KKPK, KKP, KPK, KP, KP. Hindi ko sure. The Philippines belong to the type of biome called deciduous forest. taiga, tropical rainforest, grassland, tropical rainforest. Number 73. A square has an area of 400 square centimeter. What is its perimeter? I think 20. 20, 80, 140. 20. Kasi 20 times 20 equals 400. 74. If 500 of 25% of a graduating class, if 500 or 20 are girls, how many are graduating? 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 2,000. 75. What type of thermonuclear reaction occurs in the sun which generates a tremendous amount of heat energy? Tremendous amount. Fission, radiation, convection, fusion. Radiation siguro, di ko sure. 76. Nobel Prize winners are chosen from different levels. Where was President Quirino considered? Politics, literature, human rights, economics. Nobel Prize winners chosen from the, I think, politics. Number 77. Organisms that eat plants only are called ovipores, herbivores, omnivores, carnivores. Herbivores. 78. Piliin ang salitang may diptongo. Yoyong, kamay, lawa, tihaya. Diptongo. Yoyong. Yoyong siguro. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 100? 23, 24, 25, 26, 25. 80. You cannot share what you do not have. Who portrayed it best? Heaven is built on stilts. One can buy all happiness. The man is scorned on the cross, not redeemed the world without suffering. Patience on the rice store queue was tested by gambling lady. Words without theirs can never go far. Letter D. Number 81. When a person shows the ability to understand and appreciate the similarities and differences in the costume, values, and beliefs of one's culture, that person is said to possess multicultural literacy, possess socio-cultural awareness, possess global awareness, possess social literacy. Possess low social literacy. Mr. Lucido deposited 225 pesos in the bank. If his deposit consisted of 29 bills consisting of 5 peso and 10 peso bills, how many 10 peso bills did he deposit? 10? 200 divide 10, 20. 20 divide 10 ay 2. 22. Mali. 200 divide, how many 10 peso bill did he deposit? 10, 12. 10 times 2, 20. Plus 29 bis. 20. Okay. 20. Mali. 1, 2, 8, 9, 29. Bakit wala? Wala mo na natin. 15. Marumi ang baso, wag mo yan. Wag mong blank yan. Wag mong inuman yan. B. When you carry a heavy load with one arm, you tend to hold your free hand away from your body in order to change the weight of your body and load. Change the mass of your body. Be ready to grab something. Change the center of gravity. Change the center of gravity. Number 85. If a picture frame is 27 cm long and 18 cm wide, what is the ratio of its length to its width? Ratio 3:2 divisible by 9. 27 divide 9 ay 3. 18 divide 9 is 2. 3:2, letter A. When a teacher is charged with administrative case committed in the lawful discharge of professional duties, what right may the teacher invoke for their defense? Right to receive compensation in the duration of case. Right to given the due process of law. Right to be defended by the organization of teachers to which they are a member. Right to be provided with the free legal service by the appropriate officer. Letter C. In how many ways can a team of 10 basketball players be chosen from 12 players? In how many ways can a team of 10 basketball players be chosen from 12? 10 times 12? 120? Wala naman. 60. Hula-hula mo na, letter A. Mamaya natin pag-aralan ang tamang sagot. Find M and the proportion of M over 12 is equal to 30 over 24. 30 over 24 divisible by 24 and 12. 24 and 12, 2. 30 divide 2, 15. Letter B, 15. People who are too blank are liable to be deceived by unscrupulous individuals. People who are too blank are liable to deceive or credulous, very credulous, cynical, demanding, credulous muna. 90. Blank natin ang mapa si Kenny para hindi siya magligaw. Iwanan natin, pag-iwan natin. Iwanan. Pinandirihan ni Miko ang aso niyang blank. Magalis, galis aso. Magalis, letter C. Di ko sure. Number 92. An individual has the right to question why he is being arrested, and to summon his accusers to court so that due process may be performed. This right to embodied in which of the following: reclusion perpetua, res executor, prison mayor, habeas corpus. I don't know. Hulaan ko muna. Number 93. The elevator can carry a maximum load of 605 kg. How many passengers of weight 50.5 kg each can the elevator hold? 50.5. How many passengers? 605 divided by 50.5. 605 divided, walang calculator eh. 10. 10 divide 50. Tingin ko 11. Mali. 10 lang. 10. D. 94. 4 and 1/5 plus 3 and 2, 7 equals 7 and 1/5, 2/7. Lang calculator. 1/5 plus 2/7. 35. 35 D na lang, D. 95. For the fruit punch, 30 ml of fruit juice is needed. 50 ml. How many fruit juice is needed in decaliters? Decaliters, milliliters. Deca, milli, times 10,000. Deca, 10. 3, 1, 2, 3. 3.05. Letter B. 96. Ang babae ay huwag mong tingnan isang bagay na libangan lamang, kundi isang katuwang at karamay sa mga kahirapan nitong kabuhayan. Ang tungkulin ng wika sa linya ay panghistoriko, heuristiko pala, pang-interaksyonal, pang-regulatory, pang-instrumental. Ang babae, huwag mong tingnan isang bagay na libangan. Siguro, di ko sure. Anong tayutay ang tinutukoy nito? Durog ang katawang bumagsak sa semento si Miguel. Pagtutulad. Pagbibigay katauhan. Pagmamalabis. Pagbuwangis. Pagmamalabis. Yes, the script was excellent, but the performance were extremely weak. B. Extremely. 99. The smallest angle of a triangle is 2/3. The size of the middle angle and the middle angle is 3/7 of the largest angle. Find the angle. Find all the angle. The smallest angle is 2/3. The size of the middle angle, ang gulo na naman. The smallest angle of a triangle is 2/3 the size of the middle angle. 2/3 edi times 2. 60, 30, and the middle angle is 37. 60, 30. Ito yun, no? 60, 30. 37. 3, 7. 30 times 7. 21. Mali.